Okay, good morning, my dear student. Here in the last class, so we have to discussing about the fall of the Constantinople when it has fall and those who are captured the Constantinople. What is the vital role of the Constantinople in the trade and commerce relations to the other European countries? And also what happened, the Ottoman Turks that captured the Constantinople in the year of 1453. What is the result? What is the result after captured the Ottoman Turks? What are the clashes between Europeans? What had changes? What is the result of the fall of the Constantinople? This kind of the questions arrival in your examination. Please you refer the previous year's question paper, annual exam question paper. You should get the idea about the questions on which basis ask the questions in annual examinations. This kind of studied you should continue. And after that, here now I am telling about the sea routes. Discovery of sea routes already how to studied in the last classes. Who discovered the sea route to India? At the first, Vasco da Gama. He has reached India in the year of 1498. Thus, he was successful in discovering the sea route to India. And those who are ruled in India during the time of 1498. And for many years, so many Europeans they have come to India for the trade purpose. For the trade purpose, isn't it? And they established the companies in India. Those who are establishment their companies in India. Let us we have to study it. Before we know about that, how should they have got the idea about the discovering the sea route? Here in the year of 1869, the Hughes Canal. In the year of 1869, the Hughes Canal, the Suez Canal that is called Suez Canal. It should build the Egypt. It connect to Red Sea. The Suez Canal it's built in the year of 1869 by the Egyptians. It should be connected to the Red Sea. The Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. The Suez Canal it should be connected to which? Connected to Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. What happened? Until the building of Suez Canal, the sea route discovered by Vasco da Gama. By this route, the Suez Canal, by the Suez Canal, has connected to the Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. By this policy, the Vasco da Gama has discovered the sea route to India, used for the trade between India and Europe. By the purpose of the trade and commerce purpose. He has discovered the sea route. Who has discovered the sea route to India? Vasco da Gama. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1869ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ಅದ್ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಯೇಜ್ ಕಾಲುವೆಯನ್ನ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಯೇಜ್ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸಂಪರ್ಕವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಕೆಂಪು ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಡಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಸ್ಕೋ ಡ ಗಾಮ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 498ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ವ ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ದಿ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ companies. Here, with the success of the Portuguese, yes, by the by, who had come to India at the first time from the European countries? Portuguese. Those who are Portuguese. Portuguese, they had come to India the first time. They had come to India. After the French, Dutchess and Englishes or Britishers. French, Dutch, English. After arrival of Portuguese. Those people they had started their own companies in India. This development not only changed the Indian history. This development, what's the development? Those people, when they had entered to India, there are a lot of changes in India. Not only India, also that in European countries. Here, first we are knowing about the Portuguese. We can start the detailed explanations or detailed knowing about the Portuguese. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಂತರ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಹೌದಾ, ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್. ಈ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳೇನು, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. The Portuguese were first arrived to India for trade. Yes, Portuguese were first arrived to India for trade. Yes. One more question will be arriving in this point. Who were first come to India from Europe? That is the answer. The answer is Portuguese. By the trade and were also the last to leave India. Yes. Portuguese lived from India at last. See here, The Portuguese come to India from Europe at the first. At the first, they also live from India at the last. First ಯುರೋಪ್ ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತವರು ಕೂಡ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸರೇ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದವರು ಕೂಡ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್. It means the India has ruled by the Portuguese by many years. Means highest years. Right. After Vasco da Gama, the Francisco de Almeida. Francisco de Almeida. He has come to India when after the Vasco da Gama, the Francisco de Almeida has come to India, arrived to India as the viceroy, as the viceroy of India from the Portuguese company. He implemented, yes, he implemented blue water policy. He implemented blue water policy. Then what is the meaning of blue water policy? Who implemented the blue water policy? Francisco de Almeida. The Francisco de Almeida, he has implemented which policy? The blue water policy. What do you mean blue water policy? The name itself indicates that. The name itself indicates the blue. So what is the color of the water? There is no particular color of the water. So especially we should consider blue. Blue water policy. It means some classes in the sea routes. Some classes in the sea route. Those battles are those classes in the water. That's why we call that the blue water policy. The Francisco de Almeida has made this kind of the policy. What it includes the terms and conditions in this policy here. Then, in order to establish the supremacy over the sea instead of the supremacy of over land. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ಭೂ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏಕಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಲಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏಕಸಾಮ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸೋದು. ಈಗ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಒಂದು 10 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ 10 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ 5 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, 2 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಡಚ್, 1 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್. This is the ratio of the vehicles they are traveling on the road. This kind of policy they had continued in the sea route also. That is called the blue water policy. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಪ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಪ್. ದೋಸ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಪ್ ಬಳಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಹಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ಸಿಪ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಯನ್ನ ಇವರು ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಕೋ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಮೇಡಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Here the Alfonso de Albuquerque who came after Almeida. This is the expression about the Portuguese. The Vasco da Gama is also the Portuguese sailor. After went out the Vasco da Gama, he has come to India. Francisco de Almeida, he has implemented the blue water policy. After his went, the one of the most famous person, he has come to India from Portugal. What was his name? So his name was Alfonso D. Albuquerque. D. Alfonso D. Albuquerque. Yes, his name Alfonso D. Albuquerque. After went of the Francisco de Almeida, he come to India. Alfonso D. Albuquerque, who come after the Almeida, he considered as the real founder of the Portuguese. Alfonso D. Albuquerque, he was the real founder of yes, Portuguese. Yes. Here also one more question will be there. Who was the real founder of the Portuguese company or Portuguese? The real founder of the Portuguese was the Alfonso de Albuquerque. Alfonso de Albuquerque, he was the real founder of the Portuguese Empire or Portuguese company. Here what he did, what he made the achievement in India. Here empire, he waged the battle against the Sultan of Vijayapura in 1510. He started the wages in the year 1510. The Alfonso de Albuquerque started the wages against the Sultan of Bijapur or Vijayapura. When it was held the wages between Albuquerque and Vijayapur Sultan in the year of 1510. 1510 ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And he won Goa. The Alfonso de Albuquerque fight against the Sultan of Vijayapur. He has won Goa. He has won Goa. He won Goa. Isn't it? So here so Goa is became the administrative center of the Portuguese. Is the administrative center of the Portuguese. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋವಾವನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಡಳಿತದ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. Yes, who had captured the Goa by the Bijapur Sultan? The Francisco de Albuquerque. The Alfonso de Albuquerque, he captured Goa by the Sultan of Bijapur in the year of 1510. He had made the Goa is the administrative center of the Portuguese. Did you understand? Administrative center of the Portuguese. The Portuguese had absolutely monopoly over the trade with India for almost a century, but their power declined with the arrival of English and French in India. Yes. His power, their powers, it means here the Portuguese power that declined when the English and French arrival to India. About 1 century, the Portuguese have ruled the India. When they had come, They had come, it means when the French and English they had come, so they had undeclared to the power of the Portuguese. Portuguese. Did you understand? Huh? Here now you take the homework. Who had who had implemented who had who had implemented implemented blue water policy. Who had implemented the blue water policy? Then second one. Who was the real founder of the Portuguese? Portuguese. Then third one. Write about Alfonso 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 D. Albuquerque. Alfonso D. Albuquerque. Yes. It here it means write about it means what are the achievements of the or Alfonso D. Albuquerque. Okay. Thank you.